Oh, that's so bad, Dad. Oh, that's so bad, Dad. Oh, that's so bad. Air Force One, but like the jet plane, them the American presidents have.
Gaza Nation, UTG. My office start a review here that weird because guess what go on? Me not care what them and those that say. Gaza forever, Gaza till death. I that man telling you. Me not change. So watch you know, my Gaza fan them, my UTG fans them. Watch you know man. The big bad video drop. Yeah man. Air Force One. Clean. I owe them. Watch you know man, me not lie. Me love the visual. So I have to come chat about it, make you know what I go on. Make only know what I think about it. Likewise, I don't know. I want only give me funny comments here me. Only think about it, I'm not lie so far. I can you know me feel say. Me feel like I gotta become one DJ Colin in the dancehall business. Cause guess what I go on. Just the way how you intro the song, as we made it in the previous Air Force One video. Alone already make the song shot. Yeah man, I'm not lie. Me just love everything what I go on in the video here. So if you are a subscriber, me I give you some more right and make you tell me what go on.
Me feel hype like Jesus when he walk across the water. And me Air Force sneakers, yeah, the black one are Obama. The white ones are me Katy Perry, me Madonna. The brown ones are me Cardi B, me Ariana.
If you are a subscriber, I'm telling you something right now. Yes, the Vybz Kartel, it no matter what go on. That's why I'm always telling you, say, yo, man, I compare nobody with him. In the visual, the man still in the imitation style, I go and make you know what time it is. How the Air Force I'm supposed to beat, and what kind of man for wear, and what kind of girl we get, and how him feel when him in him Air Force One. You know what I mean? Watch her go on now. The man say Clarks, down a town sell out. You know what I mean? The man say Air Force with UTG now, you know. Everybody want a white Air Force. Everybody want a black Air Force. You know what I mean? Everybody want a customized Air Force. Everybody want any kind of Air Force right now. Even me want an Air Force too. Even though I have it already, but I need the next one again. You know what I mean? So, watch what go on now. Them Air Force are in that video here. I love how whosoever stays as watching them, man. We have a customize them Air Force here and beat them and represent for the Air Force tuner. But I mean, I'm not lie. So, the visual already, as I say, I love the look. I love the concept. You know what I mean? It a connect with the lyrics of the song. Everything good about it. You know what I mean? I'm not lie. It's a Vybz Kartel. Him study. So each party me reach now is like the man plan for the future. So if the future take a turn, him not get a slide. So watch I go on now. The man build a camp. The man build a family. And watch I go on now. I one of the hottest team around the cut right now. And nobody can deny that. My Gaza fan them know me not lie to them. UTG. Them a do them thing. And them a go take over the space fully, in full effect. And me now ask who want agree to that. I tell you that. Because guess what go on? Kartel say one thing and then a lie. Listen this.
Me cannot lose, me cannot lose. Me cannot lose, me cannot lose. Me go up poor, me did that one shoes. And me never bow there, now me feel bound.
No joke about that. Back to the Air Force One.
Real, never from China. These beats make a gal dance. Cocaine white on my feet. That right there, if my switch start tonight, you will see a black spider of all kinda. Air Force One, Louis T.
So little vibe, step 2 now, you know. I make you know what time it is, you know. The man I make you know, so yo. See them Air Force, them really know. No. Them not far from China. But guess what go on? That different. My far talk about the visual. Me nah lie. Me I go say again. The Air Force, them bad. Them customized style, eh? Yeah, man. Big up to the designer. Yeah. I forgive you your credit. Cause you know, guys, I know. Look at people they're supposed to get, you know. You know, bias when I say so we give them what they forget. So the designer, big up to yourself. You know what I mean? The director for the visual. Yeah, man. Me love the concept. Me love how everything connect. Yeah. Cause guess what go on? Me notice one style in the video. You see the next artist we go forward, you notice you see him name by one of the shoes them, like for example, Cartel sing. And like how Little Vibe I go forward next now. You see on the Air Force at Little Vibe. And I guarantee say anytime a little at the time it go be the same thing. So stay tuned and you see it. Bad video, bad song. I forget a bad video. Take in some more, right?
Look out, here they come. So clean, so handsome. Brand new Air Force Ones. Brand new
Oh, that. Nay finesse. Clean like my Air Force One. Oh gosh, mama. Oh, you clean, so? You're clean like a visual. I know me, I see you clean like I look to 10 glasses. Oh, Lord, believe like I said nothing about that. Yo, the visual clean, and mama clean night. It a work, as me I tell you now. See me I tell you now, it's a compilation of good stuff. A UTG, a Gaza. Could be better.
Air Force that clean like my damn sheet pan feet. My beat it with a bad jeans long sleeve. Me no wake up the touch clean off show like a TV flat screen.
Yeah, viewers. Yeah man, so you're supposed to see the concept me I talk about now. When somebody feature in now, you see the name on the shoes. That is a good look. Me like that concept where them pull off. You know what I mean? Yeah, me love that. Yeah. So right there and then now, you don't know little Addy forward, come give him piece of line. And I'm making you know a bag of things. And I'm making you know, so yo, a sound must beat it. You know what I mean? With the long jeans and, you know what I mean? You know it's sitting go. You know for him craft already. Full of craft. But guess what go on now? At the visual we are talking about. With the Air Force them. And guess what go on? Oh, I'm finna say that. Big up Short Boss. Yeah. Because she had all the things strong. You know what I mean? Remember the song? Bad man party, no karate, me and Shorty rolling with the Glock 40. Yeah man, you have to have a soldier girl at your foot. Because guess what go on? If certain thing go down, she can hold up the business. And at that me see her go on. And me love that look there. So me have to say, yo, respect to Short Boss. I owe them man. A guys always say no, we never switch. Never snitch. You know what I mean? You know it's something go. So me have to say, yo, UTG. Una do it. I don't know if you just continue to do it. And as me done see already, I know Una go take over the place and dominate and show them say, yo, the Palmers is not a normal thing in the country. I already know that already. But I want to prove it to them again in a different way. So we lock every corner. A 4 corner. You know what I mean? So, I don't know something go.
Green fresh beer out of the box, not a anti-concrete. Some flow tough and you can't see it. Plan A, take him girl. Next day, plan B, fully Palmer. Already have a
Oh,
family.
that's so bad, Dad.
Oh, that's so bad. Dad, oh, that's so bad. Air Force One, but like the jet plane them. The American president have, Olano. Plan A, take him girl. Next day, plan B. Fully Palmer, already have a family. Them if you play with the UTG, you can't play with the Gaza people, them arm to know. So guess what go on? As me say, we chat about the visual a while ago. And me tell you what me think right now. So guess what go on, viewers and subscriber. More on if you tell me what you think. In the comment section, me know how much you grade the song out. Well on man. Me know how much you grade the video. Because I ask you to all the song, but it's like wanting to grade all the song again. Grade the song too, and grade the video. Yeah man, I make it work in a one. And guess what go on? Me don't give the song a grade already, you know. And 10 out of 10. We not go around that. And not because of guys I say. As I say, the visual concept connect with the lyrics of the song. So I have to give it what it deserve. Oh, that's so bad. Because of UTG and Gaza. That's why bad so. We can't go around that. We can't deny the fact of that. You know what I mean? Right there and then. So if you are a subscriber, at the Irons Boss, at the Irons Inc. TV, you see in my Air Force, fresh and cool. Coming and going to cesspool. I'm out.
Hype like
Jesus when him walk across the water. And me Air Force sneakers, yeah, the black one are Obama. The white ones are me Katy Perry, me Madonna. The brown ones are me Cardi B, me Ariana. If I pink on